When writing Python scripts, we should always add some command line arguments to make them easier to use. Users can run the scripts with the help argument to see the instructions, which makes the usage self-explanatory. In this video, we will introduce how to add command line arguments for Python scripts using the argparse package. First, let's check some basic use cases. We will create a simple script that can concatenate input words with various options. To add command line arguments, we need to import the argparse package and create an argument parser object, which can then be used to add arguments with the add_argument method. Let's first add a positional argument by giving a name to the add_argument method. The help parameter is used to explain the argument, and it's a good practice to always add it. The provided arguments from the command line can be extracted with the parse_args method and then passed to the corresponding function which consumes the arguments. When we run the script with the -h option, the usage of the script will be printed in the console. All the positional and keyword arguments will be displayed. As you see, it's a good practice to give sufficient information for the script for each argument to make it easier to use without checking the code inside it. In the previous example, the positional argument can only accept a single value. In practice, it's common for a positional argument to accept more than one values, which can be specified with the nargs option. The value for nargs can be an integer, which specifies that n arguments from the command line will be gathered together into a list. Another common value is star, which means all arguments present will be gathered into a list. Now we can provide more than one arguments when we run the script, and all of them will be gathered. Let's add a keyword argument to our script. Keyword arguments are also called optional arguments, as they normally have a default value. Optional arguments are specified with a flag indicated by one or two minus signs. By convention, one minus sign is used to specify the short flag, and two the long flag. It's common to specify both the short and long flags, but sometimes only the long flag is available, especially when the script has a lot of arguments. The default value is specified with the default option. When the script is run with the help argument, we can see the optional arguments are displayed in a different section from the positional ones. Note that the help argument is added automatically for us. When a script is run with the help argument, the help message will be shown and the script will be exited. In the previous example, the optional argument can take any value. We can add choices to the optional argument to limit the values of the argument to a specific set of choices. It can make the script easier to use, as the choices will also be printed in the help message. It will also make the script more robust, as it prevents the case when unsupported flags are passed for the script. Besides string values, it's also very common to add Boolean arguments which customize some behavior of the script. There are various ways to specify Boolean arguments with the argparse package. A common way is to use the action option. By specifying store_true to the action option, it means true will be stored in the argument if the flag is specified. And if the flag is not specified, the argument will have the false value by default. We can also add mutually exclusive arguments to our scripts, which means only one argument from a group of arguments can be specified. For example, we can put the arguments to specify the uppercase and lowercase options in a mutually exclusive argument group. We can only specify if the result should be in uppercase or lowercase, but not both. It's a bit overkill in this example, but you may find more useful cases in your own scripts. In this video, we introduced briefly how to add command line arguments to a Python script using the argparse library. As demonstrated, there are various ways to add positional and keyword arguments to a script to customize its behavior, which can make it very easy to use in practice. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.